Welcome to Agile and addonsmodules.com. This video will show you the basic steps to updating an Agile module, primarily focusing on uninstalling the original module, which must be done prior to installing an update. For demonstration purposes in this tutorial, we will be using the Agile Multiple Seller module. Note, when uninstalling a module, no store-related data will be deleted. However, it is always best practice to back up your current database before making any system changes in your store. Also note that any current module configuration information will be deleted from the database. It is also a good idea to not only back up your database, but also all store files on your server. From time to time, an installation or update procedure can cause corruption or damage to files that can only be fixed by restoring a system backup. At a minimum, you should at least back up the database and the module folder you are updating. Some modules may contain data in the module folder. You should also ensure that you back up any email templates, language translation files, or any other files you have modified. Once you have made appropriate backups, you should decompress or unzip your module in order to extract the file named install_en.txt. This file contains useful information for installing and upgrading the module. Please read this file before beginning the update process. Assuming you have already made the appropriate backups, the next step to update a module in PrestaShop is to log into the back office or administration section of your store. After entering your email address and password, you will be taken to the PrestaShop dashboard screen. Hover your mouse over or click on the Modules tab located at the top of your screen and a drop-down menu will appear. Now click on the Modules option in the drop-down and you will be taken to the Modules page. Here you will see a list of modules that are currently in your PrestaShop system. To uninstall the module, we must first find it in the module list. The simplest way to do this is to use the search box above the list on the left of your screen. For our tutorial purposes, simply type Agile in the search box. Any related modules will display immediately below the search box. Just click on the module to bring it up in the module list page. You will see a list of options below the module name on the left side of the screen. Assuming the module in question is both installed and enabled, you should see at a minimum an option for disable and one for delete. Disabling a module before uninstalling is not mandatory, but is good general practice. To uninstall the module, click the disable option. Once the screen refreshes, look to the right side of the screen for this module listing to find the uninstall button. Click this button now and the screen will again be refreshed. You will now notice some options have changed on this module listing. The final step is to click the delete option to completely remove the module from your system. You must also confirm the file deletion by clicking the OK button on the prompt. When the screen is refreshed this time, the module will no longer be listed. It is also good practice to use an FTP client or file manager to access your online store folder and verify the module has been completely deleted from your server. From your store folder, open the modules folder to verify the deletion. At this point, you should be able to safely install the new module update. If you need help with the installation process, please see our Agile module installation video. Once you have installed a module update, you should ensure that any translation files or email templates that were modified before the update are also modified in the newly updated files. Also, remember to configure the new module update according to the information you stored from the original module install. The final step in the update, once your new update module is installed, is to force a recompilation of your Smarty templates. This process will ensure that your new files will correctly take effect. To do this, while still logged into your back office or administration section, hover over the Advanced Parameters tab and click the Performance option. Change the Template Cache option to Force Compilation and disable the cache, then click the Save button. Return to the front office or storefront and test the module by accessing any pages that the module may affect. This will ensure that the new module files are recompiled by Smarty and will tell you that the module is working correctly. Once you have accessed the module-related pages and verified the functionality of the new module, you may return to the back office. Go back to the Advanced Parameters tab and click the Performance option. It is best practice to set the Template Cache option back to Recompile templates if files have been updated, so your system is not slowed down by constant template recompilation that is not necessary. Also, remember to turn cache back on, then click the Save button. Your module update should now be complete and ready for use. If you encountered any issues during this process, please see our related troubleshooting video or our support page on our website. For more detailed information on the process of installing or upgrading one of our modules in PrestaShop, please visit the Agile support page on our website at addonsmodules.com. Here you will find links to documentation pages, our support forums, and other useful information. If you need additional help, please contact our support staff using our contact page on the website. And thank you for choosing Agile and addonsmodules.com.